train wreck down there, right? I mean, just an absolute casserole of nonsense.
Is she over there right now? We should go take a look.
No, they had a fight. She's staying at the Marriott.
Oh, damn, I was just there.
Really?
Yeah, maybe I saw him in the lobby and didn't even know. Oh, no, you'd know. Oh, man, what do we call him now? We still call him Dan?
No, and I'm not crazy about the name change.
What is it, like Danielle or Dana?
No, Ida.